Looking for a reliable way to check your ignition system? The best spark tester is the perfect tool to quickly diagnose faulty plugs, coils, and wires. Simple, efficient, and accurate, this tester ensures your engine runs smoothly every time. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. SINGAROSpark Tester. The SINGAROSpark Tester is a practical and universal tool designed for both professional mechanics and everyday car owners who want a simple, reliable method for diagnosing ignition issues. Its wide scope of application makes it compatible with engines of all types, whether in cars, trucks, motorcycles, lawn mowers, or even marine engines, ensuring that it is useful across a variety of internal and external combustion systems. Using this tester is straightforward. Just connect it between the spark plug and spark plug wire, and in about 30 seconds you can determine whether the engine is generating the spark it needs. If a spark is present, the tester's internal bulb lights up, giving instant feedback and helping to identify faulty plugs, bad circuits, or poor connections. The SINGARO tester is crafted from quality materials, including durable rubber, metal components, and heat-resistant wire that can withstand both high and low temperature environments. This makes it dependable for long-term use, whether in a professional garage or a personal toolkit. Its compact dimensions, including a 2.28-inch metal interface and 6.53-inch sheath cable, make it easy to handle and store. The transparent housing ensures the bulb is visible and user-friendly, while the internal bulb itself is built to last for several years. Designed for durability and accuracy, the SINGAROSpark Tester helps save time and effort when troubleshooting engine issues. Backed with responsive customer service for support, it's an excellent investment for anyone who works with engines regularly. This tool turns what could be a complex diagnosis into a simple visual check, making it both efficient and highly effective. Number 2. Ram-ProSpark Tester. The Ram-ProSpark Tester is an essential diagnostic tool that delivers reliability and ease of use for quickly troubleshooting engine ignition systems. Compact yet powerful, this tester works across all internal and external combustion engines, making it perfect for cars, trucks, motorcycles, lawnmowers, snowblowers, chainsaws, and other small or large equipment. Its design is intuitive. Simply connect the tester between the spark plug and wire, then crank the engine. If spark is being sent through, the internal bulb mirrors the spark and lights up, instantly answering the all-important question: does the engine have spark? This quick process saves valuable time and prevents frustration, especially when dealing with engines that won't start. Built with a nickel-plated shaft and a double-ended flexible boot, the Ram-Pro Tester is durable and versatile, offering a straight boot connection that works well even in tight spaces. The internal bulb is long-lasting, but replaceable through the transparent housing if needed, ensuring extended usability. Measuring 6 inches for the boot and cable and 5 inches for the shaft and light housing, it's designed for practicality without being cumbersome. At just 2.2 ounces, it's lightweight yet sturdy enough for frequent use in both professional garages and personal toolkits. What makes the Ram-Pro stand out is its ability to quickly identify faulty spark plugs, bad ignition wires, or poor connections before they escalate into costly repairs. Number 3. ecocstmSpark Tester. The ecocstmSpark Tester distinguishes itself from other testers with its advanced pitch adjustment feature and overall professional-grade design. This tool is not only suitable for cars and trucks, but also works effectively on motorcycles, lawn mowers, and other small engines. The standout feature is the pitch adjustment valve with a round knob, which allows the user to modify the spark observation gap to match different car models. This customization ensures greater testing accuracy and helps avoid misfires or damage to ignition coils during diagnosis. Built with high-quality materials, including durable metal connectors, the ecocstm Tester guarantees stability and reliable electrical conductivity, ensuring consistent performance. Its high-visibility design also sets it apart. The scale values are printed in white font for easy readability when measuring spark gap values up to 40K, even under bright conditions. This makes it easier to interpret results quickly and accurately. Using the tester is safe and straightforward thanks to its rubber-coated ground wire, grounding alligator clips, and spring mechanism, which provide a stable and secure path for high-voltage current. To use, simply connect the alligator clip to the engine, attach the other end to the spark plug wire, and observe the spark length through the small viewing window. A longer spark indicates stronger coil performance, helping users evaluate ignition coil health efficiently. With an overall length of 4.5 inches and a 19.7-inch cable, this tester offers excellent flexibility and reach. Number 4. FiadaSpark Tester Kit. The FiadaSpark Tester stands out as part of a comprehensive 9-piece cylinder testing kit, making it more than just a spark tester. For users who want an all-in-one package for diagnosing car engine conditions, this kit offers immense value. Included are a spark plug tester, a 300 psi dual units compression gauge, a straight rubber cone adapter, a curved cone adapter for brass adapters, and a 14-inch extension hose, all neatly organized in a durable ABS carrying case. The spark tester itself is a vital diagnostic tool, providing immediate answers about whether the ignition system is delivering spark to the plugs. By connecting it between the spark plug and the wire, users can easily identify faulty plugs, bad wires, or ignition issues, reducing guesswork and saving time. The inclusion of the 300 psi dual units compression gauge is particularly useful for deeper engine diagnostics, allowing you to measure compression with accuracy thanks to its clear 3-inch dial and dual readings, psi and kg/cm superscript 2. This makes the kit versatile for a wide range of engines. Safety and ease of use are emphasized in instructions, which walk users through preparing the engine, inserting the gauge, and cranking the ignition for accurate data. This level of detail ensures even those with limited mechanical experience can use the kit effectively. Number 5. LYHLYASpark Tester. The LYHLYASpark Tester is a compact, practical, and reliable diagnostic tool designed for troubleshooting ignition issues in a wide variety of internal combustion engines. With a 6¼ inch shield and cable and a 5-inch shaft and light cover, the tester is sized perfectly for easy use, even in hard-to-reach engine compartments. Its construction features a plated shaft that resists rust and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting durability, while the clear housing provides visibility and is replaceable when needed. Using the tester is simple and efficient. Turn off the engine, remove the spark plug coil, connect the tester between the coil and the spark plug, then restart the engine. If the light inside the tester flashes, it indicates that the ignition wire is intact and functioning properly. This straightforward process makes it easy to quickly determine whether starting issues are due to spark-related problems or other mechanical faults. Lightweight yet sturdy, the LYHLYA tester is ideal for both professionals and DIY users, making it suitable for a variety of engines including cars, trucks, motorcycles, lawn mowers, chainsaws, trimmers, snow blowers, and generators. By helping users diagnose issues such as dirty spark plugs, defective ignition points, or bad wiring, it saves time and reduces unnecessary part replacements. The tester is a must-have for personal toolboxes and professional auto shops alike, offering a cost-effective and user-friendly way to identify ignition faults. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.